Harvest log day 22. We're right up on the top of Breeden Hill. We are literally 1,000 foot above sea level. The tower, which you can't quite see just over those clumps of trees, that's the high point. Some quite thin stony ground up here. Cutting siskin wheat, just for reference, some of the stones here. It's quite thin soil. This is probably our stoniest patch on the farm. We're moving on through. It's quite steady going. Moisture is 17.5, hasn't really changed much. Didn't get going till 3 o'clock this afternoon. No sunshine. But got to make the most of the opportunities when we can. Forecast is set to be dry, but we just need a bit more heat just to get going. Be a bit easier on the machines. Running about 8 tonne a hectare, so kind of probably a bit below average. Quite small grains, quite pinched. Yeah, have to do a bit of digging and have a look at some of the applications, what we've done, some of the conditions. Weather conditions at the key timings of flowering, grain set, grain fill. I'm sure the absence of sunshine during grain fill hasn't helped, and the very hot temperatures at that same time of year has caused some of these fields to struggle where we are not in rich, deep, fertile soils. But there we go, keep pushing on. This is day 22.